In Lekutei Sichas Chelik Yud Aleph, page 83, it's the second Sicha to Parsha Yisrei. There, the Rebbe talks about the Tosfos and has a whole discussion about this, what Tosfos says. And then the Rebbe says that Tosfos doesn't mean that a person could be punished for an act, for a maaseh that is done through others, even if he was the one that caused that maaseh should happen. And the Rebbe gives the reason. He says, because ein shin Malkus eliim kein ha'odom eiver haloisese al dei maaseh shaloi. You cannot give a person Malkus, it's one of the punishments, unless the person transgressed the loisese, the negative mitzvah, through maaseh shaloi, through his own maaseh. If it wasn't through his own maaseh, you can't punish him, you can't give him Malkus. Now, when this was written, and the Rebbe wants everything should have a maramokim, where we see that clearly. So what was written lechatchila was that where do we see this clearly, that he only could punish somebody if it's his own maaseh? So it said, look in the lashon of the Gemara in Tumura, Tav Gimel Amud Aleph. There the Gemara uses this lashon. Kol loisese shebetorah, any negative commandment in the Torah. Osa by maaseh loike. If you did a maaseh, you get punished. Lei osa by maaseh. If you didn't do a maaseh, you don't get punished. You're potter. So this was like the maramokim to the fact that you have to do a maaseh in order to get punished. On that, the Rebbe wrote, he circled around the words Lashon HaGemara, and he wrote, Ha'umnom ein Lashon mefurish bekosuf? Question mark, exclamation point. Is there not more clear a Lashon in the Posik which says the same thing? In other words, what he meant to say is, this Lashon doesn't show anything, because Avada has to be a maaseh. The question is this considered that he did a maaseh? Since he caused someone else to do a maaseh, maybe it's considered he did. So the lashon where it says that you're only chayiv if you did a maaseh doesn't prove otherwise. Doesn't prove that you're not chayiv if someone else did. And if it is proof, you don't need a proof from this Gemara. You can prove from different many psukim. Many psukim it says that you says to do, that you're chayiv when you do. So what's this Gemara better raya than clear psukim that we have? And that's what he wrote. Ha'umnam ein loshin mefurish bekosov? Question mark, exclamation mark. There's no clear posik, loshin in the posik, which also says that you have to do. Why is this a better raya? And the Rebbe changed it and he wrote these words. Ayin Shabbos, daf kuf nun gimel amud beis. Look in Gemara Shabbos, daf kuf nun gimel amud beis. And there it says a loshin, do ovid maaseh begufei. There it says that you do a maaseh with your body yourself. Over there we see that you're chayiv if you yourself with your body do a maaseh. But from the lashon of the Gemara, that it says that if you do a maaseh you're chayiv, is no raya that it means that you have to do it yourself with your body. And if it is a raya, then you could bring a raya from the lashon of the posik. But the raya from the Gemara is a clear raya where it says ovid maaseh begufei. So from the Gemara Shabbos is a clear raya.